Hi guys, this is all about Lola Helen. We pedicure the toenail, the impacted nail or ingrown toenail tutorial. So, if you have big toe hurts, so this tutorial is for you. So, I tried to record it in English because some of my followers requested me to make it in English. So you just understand my English. This is all about Lola Helen. So this one is a very impacted nails and dirty. Besides, is very stuck for long months. That's why the toenails is like fungus. So always clean your toenails. If you taking a bath, the excess soap is there. When you laundry, the soap is there. The shampoo is there, the conditioner is there. So always brush your nails even you did not pedicure. So stay tuned to my channel. Yes, because I'm going to show you the removal of impacted nails, the sticky, ingrown, and the dry skin of the toenails. Even the little nails have all. They have many ingrowns and dry skin, even small nails. Do your big toes hurt? Do you think you have an ingrown toenail? So just always follow my contents. So please subscribe and click the notification bell so that every time I upload, you can see my videos about toenails, ingrowns, and dry skin, even the sensitive skin. This content now is very sensitive nails, very sensitive, I should say, very sensitive skin. That's why she's scared to clean the toenails because before the nails swollen. That's why she is scared to clean the nails of pedicure. Then I presenting that I want to clean. If she trusts me, I clean the toenails because they not good smell. The smell bad. That's why the slime is around the nails. So because they have already infected infections. The nail is infections. My mother said when we are in small, little girls, my mother said, always clean your nails. Even you did not pay to the salon or to the manicurist, you just clean your nails because the nails representing you that your nails is clean, your life is easy, and your nails is clean, you're clean too, and your hard work, even your nails is no polish. So look at this one, have dirty inside. Yan, look at that. They remove a little excess nails, but the dry skin is still there. So we clean that. The nails is already cutting our model. She cut already the nails, but we cut it later. She wants very short, so that's why we make short and round shape. We do that for round shape. So now we get the ingrown under the nail plate. It's very deep. So yan, we pause slowly because the skin is very sensitive, and that is very slowly to pause. Very careful. Then you pull, then slowly. So if you see no more ingrown, no more dry skin, but when you touch it slowly, you see the dry skin, many dry skin, because the nails also fungus. So they stay the dirty there. So every time you take a bath, you brush your nails so that rinse it carefully, properly. So, yan, remove the dry skin slowly. Yan, so that's a big, see the bed of ingrown. If you pause and then pull it big, so very nice, but we did not do that because the sensitive skin, because they have already sugat sa ilalim under the under the nail plate. They crash already. So pause it in slowly so that the dry skin pop up. So you can remove it slowly. Because if you cutting only the nipper, they still remain there. So that's itchy. So and that is dry. So you want to pause that and to pull, not only cutting. So like this, you pull like that, so you can get all. See the mini dry skin. So did not cutting only, because if you cutting only, they still remaining inside there. So you pull it. So very deep. Look at that, very deep, and the blood is still there, remain there. So we pause it slowly so that all is up. Okay. You make it slowly to pull like that. Oh no. So again slowly, because if you did not remove there, because that is all dry skin, the make it a ball there in beside. Now we back there again, but we soak first. So look at the other one. Sorry for my video because we stand only no have videographer. So sometimes they close up, sometimes no. But some you see the hole. So we remove the excess dry skin. We get the cuticles in the matrix part. So slowly, because that is for bloody. The part of matrix is bloody. So careful to take that cuticles upper your nails. Look at the nails of All About Lola Helen. I am manicuring. I am pedicuring the model. So look at my nails. So very healthy, you know. Because every time when I post my nails, it's very slowly. So we cut now with a round shape, short round shape, using nail cutter. The nails of toenails is in a bigger one is fungus, have fungus already. That's why I said and I suggest she clean every time, even after taking bath, she brush the nails. So look at that, under pre-aids, the dry skin is there. So cutting with slowly, so that they clean. Then the nails is dry also. So I said when we clean again, they make natural skin, natural nails. See the excess dry skin over there because they swollen before. We cut here under the pre-aids. Ayan, so very deep, you see? Very deep. But now not hurt because they got already the dry skin and the ingrown. But we have little remaining. So we got it for slowly. Ayan, look at that. Okay. So our nipper is sterilized and then new pahasa. My tools is sterilized. So now we get no more dry skin there up there, because if you did not get there, if you did not get that, they pop already there beside the skin. So you see, you will remove. And then, yan, slowly remove the dry skin excess from the swollen. So no more dry skin, no more ingrown. So we shape again and then we retouch before finishing. So we use nail file so that the nails no split ends. So nail file it in slowly. But this one you see the faster because there is this fast forwarding. So this one I present you only 1, 2 because if you clean this one, the same like clean other toenails. so that only short for 17 minutes and 34 seconds. So, yan, you spray the cuticle remover for flawless and then brush. Yan, rinse with clean water. Okay, clean water. And then, retouch it with the nipper to very clean. So, now, the toenails is very clean, healthy looking, and fresh. So you touch it in side by side to retouch so that the dry skin, if there, you can remove. So that's one. Before, did not get that because it's hard, but now it's soft. That's why I recommended you to, that's why I suggest always to my trainees, to my nails, to always retouch always, so that the remaining dirt or dry skin, you can remove it. So see, so thank you for watching. This is all about Lola Helen. So, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo every time I upload. So now, we put martile to make flawless. So if you use martile, good, it's healthy looking for your nail. Then put a little lotion and then massage. So, because they clean long time. So, see, even you pin the toenails, no hurt. Because the dry skin, the ingrowns remove. So, see, the very deep, but now it's very refreshing. That is before, see, and after. Thank you for watching. This is all about Lola Helen.